Hey there, and welcome back. Today, I want to share a little story about my experience with a Toyota Corolla that had me scratching my head for a bit. You see, some folks were convinced that the car was misfiring because it was shaking. But after some digging, I discovered it was actually a failing alternator causing all the trouble. At first, I was puzzled. The diagnostic machine didn't reveal any clear issues, which can be frustrating. But thanks to my knowledge and a bit of manual troubleshooting, I realized the alternator wasn't charging properly. Once I replaced it, everything changed. The car started running smoothly again, just like it should. It's a great reminder that sometimes the problem isn't what it seems. If you ever find yourself in a similar situation, don't hesitate to trust your instincts and dig a little deeper. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, consider following or subscribing for more insights. Drive safe and see you next time.